SK Hynix's $28 billion NASDAQ listing draws massive investor demand. The global artificial intelligence boom has created another historic milestone for the semiconductor industry. South Korean memory chip giant SK Hynix is set to close the bookbuilding process for its $28 billion American Depository Receipt (ADR) offering after attracting overwhelming investor demand, with the offering reportedly more than 7 times oversubscribed. The company is expected to finalize pricing before its NASDAQ debut, marking one of the largest equity offerings in financial history. The exceptional response underscores Wall Street's growing confidence in companies powering the AI revolution. Institutional investors, including long-only funds, technology-focused asset managers, sovereign wealth funds, and Asia-focused investment firms, have competed aggressively for allocations, demonstrating strong conviction in SK Hynix's long-term growth prospects. Why investors are racing to buy. SK Hynix has become one of the world's most important suppliers of high-bandwidth memory, HBM, chips, the specialized memory technology that enables advanced AI processors to handle massive datasets at unprecedented speeds. These chips are essential for training and running today's most powerful AI models. Major technology companies, including NVIDIA and Google, depend on SK Hynix's cutting-edge memory solutions for their AI infrastructure, making the company one of the biggest beneficiaries of exploding AI demand. A historic capital raise. The ADR offering is expected to become the second-largest equity offering ever, trailing only SpaceX's record-breaking fundraising. It also surpasses landmark offerings from Saudi Aramco and Alibaba, highlighting how AI-related companies have become the primary destination for global investment capital. SK Hynix is issuing approximately 17.79 million new shares, represented by American Depository Receipts, ADRs, allowing U.S. investors to trade the company's shares directly on the NASDAQ. Trading is expected to begin on July 10th, expanding access to one of Asia's fastest-growing semiconductor companies, fueling the next wave of AI infrastructure. The billions raised are expected to strengthen SK Hynix's leadership in next-generation semiconductor manufacturing. The company plans to invest heavily in expanding advanced semiconductor fabrication facilities, increasing production capacity for HBM chips, purchasing additional UV lithography equipment, accelerating research into future AI memory technologies, supporting advanced chip packaging capabilities for AI accelerators. These investments are designed to meet surging demand from hyperscale cloud providers, AI startups, and enterprise data centers that require increasingly powerful memory solutions. AI is creating a new semiconductor race. The semiconductor industry has entered one of its strongest investment cycles in decades. Every major AI model, from generative AI assistants to autonomous systems, requires enormous computing power, and memory has become one of the industry's biggest bottlenecks. Unlike traditional DRAM, HBM provides dramatically higher bandwidth and energy efficiency, making it indispensable for modern AI GPUs. As AI workloads continue to grow, memory suppliers like SK Hynix are becoming as strategically important as processor manufacturers themselves. Industry analysts expect AI infrastructure spending to continue climbing over the next several years, supporting strong demand for advanced memory products despite periodic market volatility. Global competition is intensifying. SK Hynix's successful fundraising also highlights the broader race among semiconductor manufacturers to dominate AI hardware. Companies across the United States, South Korea, Taiwan, and Europe are investing billions into advanced manufacturing capacity to meet unprecedented demand. The NASDAQ listing could also help reduce the so-called Korea discount, giving SK Hynix greater visibility among international investors and potentially narrowing valuation gaps with U.S.-listed semiconductor peers. SK Hynix's biggest rivals, the AI memory battle, is just beginning. While SK Hynix is making headlines with its oversubscribed $28 billion NASDAQ ADR offering, the company faces fierce competition from some of the world's largest semiconductor manufacturers. The AI memory market has effectively become a battle among the industry's big three, Samsung Electronics, Micron Technology, and SK Hynix, which collectively dominate the global DRAM market. Financial Times. Samsung Electronics remains SK Hynix's largest global rival. The company leads in overall memory production, NAND flash, and semiconductor manufacturing capacity, while aggressively investing in next-generation HBM4 chips for AI accelerators. Samsung is leveraging its advanced foundry business and packaging technologies to regain leadership in AI memory as demand from hyperscale data centers continues to surge. Micron Technology, the only major US-based memory manufacturer, has rapidly emerged as a serious challenger. Strong support from US AI infrastructure investments, long-term supply agreements, and domestic semiconductor expansion has positioned Micron as a preferred supplier for many American technology companies. Analysts expect Micron to remain one of SK Hynix's toughest competitors as cloud providers increase AI spending through 2027. Beyond the Big Three, Kioxia continues expanding its advanced NAND flash business and AI storage solutions, while China's YMTC is growing in the NAND market despite export restrictions that limit its access to cutting-edge AI memory technologies. Competition is no longer centered on producing the cheapest memory chips. Instead, companies are racing to deliver faster HBM4, advanced chip packaging, lower power consumption, and stronger partnerships with AI leaders such as NVIDIA, AMD, Google, Microsoft, and Amazon. SK Hynix's oversubscribed $28 billion NASDAQ ADR offering is more than a record-breaking fundraising event. It reflects the market's confidence that AI infrastructure spending is still in its early stages. With demand for HBM chips accelerating and global cloud providers investing heavily in AI data centers, SK Hynix is positioning itself as one of the most important companies in the next generation of artificial intelligence computing. If current trends continue, this historic listing could become one of the defining financial milestones of the AI era.